Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Ichema. Welcome. So on today's menu we have, drum roll, Gizzdodo. So with me are my bell peppers, Scotch bonnet, onions, and then we're going to blend that into a puree. Now go ahead and dice your gizzard into bite sizes. Yes, then season it with your paprika, the blended peppers, ginger, garlic. If you have the fresh ones, you can go ahead and use it. Seasoning cubes of your choice, but I'm using no here. Then salt to taste. So now we're done adding that. I also added nutmegs, so go ahead and mix that baby thoroughly, like you want to get every bit of that meat. So I went ahead and I added more pepper mix into it because I wanted it to be more juicy. I wanted the pepper, the hotness of the pepper. So now go ahead and cook it. So while we're cooking that, let's prep our plantains. So I'm using half-fried plantains, but if you want yours to be very sweet, and softer, you can go ahead and use like very ripe plantains. So now my meat is done. We're pouring oil to fry those plantains till they are golden brown. So let's allow this to fry properly and get to the right color. So now our gizzard is properly done and cooked. Yes, and we're bringing out our plantain. Then we're going to fry the rest behind the camera. So now I'm going to separate the meat stock, from the gizzard, and then we're going to fry the gizzard. And then that meat stock, stay tuned to the channel. You're going to see what I did with that. And look at this fried plantain, so yummy. Now go ahead and fry your gizzard, but for this gizzard you don't have to fry it for so long, but it depends on how you like your meat. If you want it to be a bit juicy, fry it for a few minutes, but if you like your meat to be dry, like dry meat consistency, then you fry it like till it's a bit more golden brown. So now I'm taking it off. We're done with our gizzard, and we're going to remove a little bit of the oil we used to fry the meat, and then we're going to add our blended peppers, mixed peppers and onions, and then we're going to season it the way we season the meat, with curry, garlic, ginger, nutmeg, chicken stock, bouillon cubes, and mix that thoroughly. Allow that to fry like you fry your stew or your jollof base. Then once it's done, give it some time, fry it, make sure that it doesn't taste sour anymore. Now you're going to go ahead and pop that gizzard. You see, this is a very easy recipe. It's just to fry plantain, fry gizzard, and mix them up together, and you get this yummy delicacy. Like, it doesn't take so long. So now we're going to go in and pop our plantains in there. See what I'm saying? Easy peasy. Mix that up. But you see, I left more that I'll be eating. You can't fry plantain and you will not eat it in the kitchen. Like, it's diabolic if you don't test plantains while frying it. That shows you're not a plantain lover. But our fellow plantain lovers know that we have to test it. So I left more that I will be nibbling on while we're doing the rest. So go ahead and mix that. You see how juicy it is, and then you're going to allow it to heat for some minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to adjust your flavors, test it, adjust your salts, peppers, whatever you want, and then voila, this is ready. I paired mine with this jollof rice, and the jollof recipe will drop in some. Bye for now.